We are Advanced Benefit Consulting, employee benefits health brokers and consultants with additional services including privacy and security, plan compliance, and educational services. Your team combines with over 3 decades of experience in the health insurance industry. Advanced Benefit Consulting has been servicing clients since 1995. With backgrounds in third-party administration, COBRA administration, HR compliance, ERISA and PHSA expertise, with special attention to HIPAA privacy and security, claims administration, billings and eligibility, and IT security that emphasizes high-tech and cybersecurity. Our mission is to provide superior products and customer service to employers and their employees with insight, education, innovation, knowledge, and compassion. We strive to not only meet but exceed our clients' expectations in all that we do. We maintain a professional and efficient staff committed to the principles of integrity and the highest ethical standards. Our vision is to set a standard of excellence by combining old-fashioned caring and customer service with the needs of employers in a technological world. We see technology as an asset, a tool to help us provide our customers with service and data. However, we will never allow technology to take away from what we are, service providers. Our goal is to provide excellence in both. Our corporate office is located in Anaheim, California, but we have clients throughout the United States and employees and independent contractors in many different locations. We are unique at Advanced Benefit Consulting. We offer a boutique-style approach to our business. We believe that bigger is not always better when working with our clients, especially when compared to a large agency that may be just too busy to provide exceptional service. Our clients can attest that our service has always far exceeded expectations. What makes us so unique is that you would work directly with the owners of Advanced Benefit Consulting. We care about each and every client, and we offer high-tech solutions to our clients while maintaining a high level of personal service. Please meet the owners of Advanced Benefit Consulting, Dorothy Koshu, President of Advanced Benefit Consulting, and Anthony McCarron, Vice President of Advanced Benefit Consulting. Dorothy Koshu is a leading industry consultant, published author, and trainer. Her expertise includes ERISA, COBRA, HIPAA, HITECH, cybersecurity, ACA, COVID-19 legislation, including FFCRA and CARES Act, transparency and coverage, the Consolidated Appropriations Act, including the No Surprises Act, transparency, and broker compensation disclosure, and more. Additionally, Advanced Benefit Consulting retains a top benefits and insurance law firm to assist with all compliance needs. Please meet Marilyn Monahan from Monahan Law Office. Marilyn has worked alongside Advanced Benefit Consulting for many years. Her expertise has provided a crucial and vitally important level of service to Advanced Benefit Consulting and their clients. In order to provide the maximum level of service that we strive for, we offer group meetings, in-person trainings, legislative updates for employees, ongoing employer training and education, and our Lunch and Learn series. We prefer to conduct group meetings for open enrollment and all other trainings that can be done in person. We enjoy the face-to-face contact with the executive management team and their staff. We meet with the executive contacts in advance to see exactly what they would like to accomplish during our meetings and trainings. Open enrollment meetings can also be done via Zoom meetings. Sometimes it's necessary or even preferred to do Zoom meetings, like in times of COVID, when you have staff working remotely, or when it's simply more convenient to handle meetings online. To supplement your group meetings, we can create custom open enrollment presentation videos for your employees, as well as custom new hire videos to fully explain your group's benefit plan options. Videos can include any custom training you would like for your staff, your supervisors and managers, or any other specific group you may need to reach. This is an excerpt from one of our recent open enrollment videos from an existing client. This video excerpt was used with permission from the client to provide an example of the types of custom videos we can create for you.
Welcome everyone to the Highmark Distributing Open Enrollment that is effective on September 1st, 2021. Your open enrollment presenters today are myself, Dorothy Koshu, President of Advanced Benefit Consulting. We are your health benefits brokers, and I have with me today Marianne Wessel, who's the Senior Account Manager for EBA&M Corporation, and they are your third-party administrator that actually processes your claims and handle your questions and so forth. Just a quick reminder of what we offer here at Highmark, a really brief overview for you. You obviously have a medical plan. We added, in 2021, we added Teledoc for telehealth visits, and we'll get into some details on that. You have a dental plan, you have a vision plan with Emeritus, and that is a vision service plan. You have an EAP program with Aetna. You have a Section 125 cafeteria plan for pre-tax premium contributions. You have a 401k plan, and you have a separate video on that. You also have LifeMart, which offers discounts on many products. You also have your ADP portal, which has not only your payroll information on it, but also has all of your benefits information, including your summary of benefits and coverage, your SBC, your summary plan description, and all sorts of other additional plans.
Advanced Benefit Consulting will also provide and present the newest legislative updates. We will provide payroll stuffers, newsletters, and other supplemental information that is needed to keep everyone in the loop.
Affect you and your dependents, so it's really important that you understand some of these things. First of all, I'm sure you've heard about transparency. Transparency and coverage rules go into effect, and that has some implications for both hospitals, doctors' offices, medical groups, any type of provider. But there are also some impacts for employers and employees.
Additionally, we offer our Lunch and Learn series. These meetings are quite often presented jointly with our President Dorothy Koshu and our benefit and insurance attorney Marilyn Monahan of Monahan Law Office.
When you get those letters, what to do, most importantly I like to say what not to do, because I think that's the most important thing, and how to respond and what to do, because they're starting to come through now, and it could be simply what we've seen a lot of is their preparers, which are their payroll companies, just checking a wrong box, putting no instead of yes. I'm like, how could they say you didn't offer minimum value coverage, or you didn't offer met coverage? But sometimes they make mistakes, and that will trigger the whole thing. So.
But wait, there's more. When working with Advanced Benefit Consulting, you will have direct access to our team of highly skilled tech experts, specializing in IT security, cybersecurity, HIPAA security, and HITECH. The teammates include Ted Miyashiba, who is a current professor at USC, Ted Flitner, a former industrial engineer at Western Digital, and many others. He is a webmaster and an on-demand platform expert. Finally, we have Steve Saitman, who is a tech wizard that is currently overseeing the IT functions at the LA Unified School District. Their team is well trained and will be able to assist your organization as your technology needs arise.
Let's talk about a little bit about cybersecurity. What does that even mean? Well, cybersecurity in general is protecting your systems, your networks, your devices, your programs from outside attack. And when we talk about cybersecurity, we kind of think of Mission Impossible. We kind of think of government, state-run actors. We think of Chinese. We think of other countries that are targeting and trying to maybe hack into other governments, hack into resources in the United States. And we find that these topics kind of keep coming up, whether it's HIPAA compliance or whether it's cybersecurity. And this is a word you're going to hear a lot more year after year.
Actions speak louder than words. We understand this at Advanced Benefit Consulting. We offer a weekly podcast series called the Benefits Executive Roundtable, as well as an on-demand education platform through our Empowered Education Center, with new classes added regularly. Dorothy Koshu is very active in the industry, and although there are too many to list, her articles have been published in multiple industry publications, including The Statement, California Broker Magazine, and America's Benefit Specialists. But that's not all. Advanced Benefit Consulting was just named a Top 10 Employee Benefits Company of 2022 by HR Tech Magazine. We will be featured in their July 2022 Employee Benefits edition. Finally, we understand that references and client testimonials can sometimes speak for themselves. Here are a few excerpts that we wanted to highlight so that you can see how we are viewed by our current clients and industry personnel. Full reference letters can be found in our formal proposal.
Hello, my name is Jim Tracy. I'm the CEO of Park West Companies. We're located in Rancho Santa Margarita, California, and I would like to recommend Advanced Benefit Consulting. They've been affiliated with our company for over 20 years. I had the pleasure of working with Dorothy Koshu and Anthony McCarron for that same period of time. Their services have just been exceptional. They go out and do on-site training with our people. They provide really incredible support for us in a very difficult environment with health coverage. Over the course of the last 20 years, they've saved our company literally hundreds of thousands of dollars in claims cost, in negotiating great rates with some of our carriers. They've also provided legal services. They've got an attorney that's on retainer. Dorothy herself is an expert in the industry, provided incredible guidance for us. They're a local company, easy to get in touch with, easy to do business with. We can call them up and they'll end up on our premises literally the next day. So we've had very good service from them, and I would highly recommend hiring Advanced Benefit Consulting. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Randy Sims, the Chief Financial Officer at TriWest Ltd. TriWest is a leading flooring distributor based in California with locations throughout the western United States. With over 400 employees, a key pillar to our company's success depends on attracting and retaining those employees with industry-leading employee benefit programs. To that end, I put my trust in Advanced Benefit Consulting. ABC is a subject matter expert on healthcare. With a team pedigree of recognized industry speakers, published authors, and an attorney on retainer, they know it all and are always abreast of the most current developments in an ever-evolving healthcare industry. Whether you have a fully insured health plan or a self-funded health plan like mine, or your plan utilizes an HMO, PPOs, or a reference-based pricing plan like mine, and most important to me, operating in the heavily regulated state of California, they know the regulations, whether federal or state. ABC is my trusted business advisor. They provide me timely, need-to-know information to make informed decisions on our plan. They help me understand our plan's risk and to remain in compliance with all regulations. They also connect me to the best-in-class business partners of only the highest integrity, including medical and dental networks such as Anthem Blue Cross, First Dental Health, and Express Scripts. They also provide benefit support administrators like EBAM, Hines, and AMPS, which stands for Advanced Medical Pricing Solutions. And lastly, let me say, ABC has not only helped make TriWest employee benefit plans the envy of our industry, which continues to attract and retain our employees, but they also have reduced TriWest employee benefit costs over the years to the tune of millions. No lie, it's possible to reduce your plan costs while maintaining superior services for your employees. I recommend you consult with Advanced Benefit Consulting and see how it's done.
Hi, my name is Andrea, and I'm the Director of Human Resources with Park West Landscape Inc. here in Rancho Santa Margarita. And we've worked with Advanced Benefit Consulting for over 20 years. I personally have worked with them for over 16 years. I highly recommend Advanced Benefit Consulting. They're more than just brokers. Dorothy is a compliance expert and even has an attorney on retainer. Their service is extraordinary, always helpful and willing to go the extra mile. I couldn't get through my day-to-day without Anthony. To even go on site out to our 25 different locations for employee education meetings. The services they give are hard to find, and I couldn't do my job without them. I highly recommend Advanced Benefit Consulting. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bill Struitt. I work for Triangle and Highmark Distributing Company. We're a Budweiser beer distributing company here in Southern California. I'd like to speak today a little bit and talk about our benefits program, specifically our medical, dental, and that. I've been with the company for well over 30 years, and we've been self-funded for probably 20 of those 30 years, the last 20 years. Also, at about the 20-year mark, we hooked up with a company called Advanced Benefit Consulting, who has been our broker and our mentor and our assistant in this area. So today I'd just like to talk and share my experiences with this program. So again, Advanced Benefit Consulting is our broker. Dorothy Koshu is the president of the company. She, along with Anthony McCarron, who assists and is a partner in her company, they've been an integral part of our business and our partnership for well over 20 years. What do they do? How do they assist us? As I said, this group is truly a business partnership. They do a lot more than just sell self-insurance. They're very involved in the medical insurance process, which I'm going to go over, but also HIPAA compliance and ACA compliance. In addition to that, they offer health and benefit seminars, and to some extent, they assist in legal compliance matters. They truly take the employee benefit burden off the employers. They are insurance brokers, but they are also true consultants. Let's talk a little bit about medical insurance and us being self-insured. As I said, we've done this for well over 20 years. We've gone through various TPAs and stop-loss carriers, but all those are built on the relationships that Dorothy and her group has built with these folks. We've leveraged those relationships to achieve pretty significant savings over fixed cost programs. I would estimate somewhere in the neighborhood of 30+%. And I do benchmarks of that. Not only is the program set up right and does well, but they get involved in our annual health fair, which is pretty extensive, where we bring all of our employees in, they put the packages together, they show up to our facilities, they shake hands with our employees, and they ask all the questions. They deal with problem claims. They take care of our claims. When we have a problem, I'll pick up the phone and call Anthony, and he'll get involved with the TPA and others to take care of it. They also take care of the legal aspects. They draft our plan documents, and they get that reviewed by their risk attorney. More recently, they're always looking for new business opportunities that might save us money and also be a better program. And they introduced reference-based pricing about 2 years ago. We were new to it, and there was a learning curve to it. But I have to say it was highly successful. It's something that Dorothy took a risk in presenting to us. I personally took a risk to put it in our company. And now we're seeing substantial savings, and our employees are pretty happy with it because they can go to any doctor they want. So I highlighted that the whole medical arena, we've got quite a few things going that really complement, make our plan really, really good. But that's not all that Advanced Benefit has assisted us with. They also assist in HIPAA compliance. Dorothy has been a leader in the HIPAA compliance. She's the author of the ABCs of HIPAA compliance. She has certified many of our employees, including myself, to HIPAA, and also drafted the documents that we need to protect us in the event of a HIPAA audit or anything like that. Other areas that Dorothy and her group in Advanced Benefit Consulting assistant is ACA compliance. She's worked closely with a legal attorney, Marilyn Monahan, and together they've given us seminars. They've reviewed some of our documents. We had an IRS audit. They cleaned up our audit for us. They've done a lot of things in that area. And then the last part of what Advanced Benefit does that I have to comment on is seminars. Throughout the year, she offers various seminars that our HR department, I included, or our VP of Finance might go to. For example, the one that's coming up here next month is in privacy and security risk management. So again, what I wanted to share with you is Advanced Benefit Consulting is our business partner. We're really excited to have them, and exponentially, they're not only financially helping us, but they're also helping our employees and the company.
Hi, my name is Laura from TriWest Ltd. I'm here today to talk to you about Advanced Benefit Consulting. There are many insurance companies out there. I'm sure you get the calls that I get every day. But when somebody calls me to try to get my business from where I'm at now, I have so much more information than they can even fathom. I talk circles around them because not only do they train us, not only do they keep us up to date, but you get it. Once you get it, you have the knowledge. And it is important as an employer to have the best benefits for our employees. It is also a benefit for an HR person who's extremely busy to have somebody that I can go to right here, right now, on the minute, and get the right answer. It has been a long time. I've been with TriWest for 16 years and have had the pleasure with working with Dorothy Koshu and also Anthony McCarron. I can say that I have never been at a loss. I feel that I am up to date, I'm up to speed. I can talk and get through anything for my employees' benefits. Training, I mean, just the training alone, coming out here and actually going through the process with each employee to get the correct information the first time and make sure that they understand it. We've done this. We do it every year, open enrollment. They come out, they make these great videos for us. The videos are available on our payroll pages, and you can look at them at any time. All I can say is, I've got that information. And not only is it from one of the best persons that I can say goes out and gets the information, Dorothy Koshu, because she's there. She's there at those Washington meetings. She's there at those special insurance meetings and stuff to find out the latest and greatest. And not only do we have her, but we also have her attorney who is there for us at any time. She will answer any questions. We can have the most important go-to people there in a second. And I think as an HR person, when you're in a bind and you need that answer, that is the best thing that you can have. That person to actually step up and give you that information. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I do. I could call them on the phone at any time and ask them or text them a question, and they're gonna get back to me. This is the best thing that I could say about having somebody, not just the knowledge, but having them there for you, available for you when you need them. What can I say about Advanced Benefit Consulting? They are the best in their industry. I can't say more about their ethics and how they work and how everything comes together when you do work with them. Not only the training, because she's got podcasts and things that really get and dive deep into those subjects that you might be having some issues with. There are so many avenues, and they're there, they're with it. And all I can say is I really appreciate them. I get the most help. They even make copies for me if I need some copies of something. So as a broker, what else could you want but the best? Advanced Benefit Consulting.
Advanced Benefit Consulting brings expertise to the table. Our executive team has many years of experience in employee benefit plans, health plans, and third-party administration. We don't just sell products. Our backgrounds give us a unique expertise in billings, eligibility, claims, reporting, and more, whether it's fully insured or self-funded. Advanced Benefit Consulting is one of the West Coast's leading experts in self-funding and reference-based pricing. Dorothy Koshu worked as an executive in a self-funded TPA for many years and has also acted as a TPA consultant to many different TPAs. Anthony McCarron has also served in nearly every capacity of a third-party administrator. We are very qualified to assist you in setting up your self-funded health plan. Our two primary executives have nearly 70 years of combined experience in the self-funded space. Dorothy has been teaching self-funding to employers, agents, and health insurance industry personnel for over 30 years. In addition, she has acted as an expert witness, a consultant, and an independent fiduciary to the United States Department of Labor on problematic self-funded health plans. She has also written many articles and assisted TPAs with the new Transparency and Coverage Rules and No Surprises Act, which will drastically change the landscape of plan administration. You couldn't be in better hands to set up and operate a self-funded health plan. You'll have peace of mind with Advanced Benefit Consulting at your side. We hope you have enjoyed this video and have gotten to know Advanced Benefit Consulting a little bit better. Please feel free to contact Dorothy Koshu with any questions you may have. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.